A very warm welcome to the Learning Home. Today we are going to discuss how to create a column and associated features in Microsoft Excel. So primarily we are going to cover two different topics. First one is the how to create a chart, and then second one is the how we can add more data in the existing chart. So in order to do the exercise, we have brought in some sample data which is over here. And before I start discussion, I like to bring to your notice that I'm using Microsoft Office 365, which is the latest version as of now. If you're using different version of Microsoft Excel, you might be seeing a very different or some different look, but the core feature must be same or similar. Let's start with our first point of discussion, that how we can create a chart. So for this one, we are going to select a data first. In this case, I have selected these two columns. Then I will go and click Insert tab, and then I will go to the chart group. And you will see first one is the recommended chart is the first option. So let's see what does it do for us, how it is going to help us. So just click it, and you will see there are various other type of chart options Excel is recommending us. So suppose we are looking for the bar chart. Let's click it and click OK, and you will see a chart prepared based on the Excel recommendation. We can do the same thing by again selecting the data here and Insert tab, chart group, and go to the Insert column and bar chart option and click 2D columns, and you will see same options over here. Another option is to start with the blank chart. Let's go to the again Insert tab, chart group, and just click it over here. It will show you a blank chart, but there is no kind of information is displayed over here. So what I'm going to do is just click on the graph, and you will see a option called chart design got highlighted, and in the ribbon you will see an option called select data. So just click over there, and what you can do in the chart data range, what you can do, you can select these two columns once again, and you will see a similar kind of information is displayed over here again. There is another option is to you can repeat the process with some alternative means as well. Again, blank chart, chart design, and select data. So here there is a two box, and we can add data. There is add option, so just click it over here, and it is asking you what is the series name. So what we can do, we can put a series name as, let's say we are going to make for budget, and we are going to select this data, and we'll click OK. Here you will see the option is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is displayed on the primary horizontal axis. So what we don't want to see like this, so we will go and change the range from Q1 to Q4, and you will see same information is displayed over here. So this is all about creating a chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's move to the second point, that is how to add more data in the existing chart. So there are two ways to add more data in the existing chart. Here what we have an existing chart, and we are going to add one more column, that is the sales value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over there, same thing, chart option, and you will see option called select data. So here there is another, you have to click the option called add, and the series name, which is over here, you have to click the name, and in the series value you have to select the whole data set. You will see the same thing is appeared over here. Again, last thing, we have to select this Q into Q4. And so this is how we have added one more data set to the existing chart. Now, what we can do is, there is another way. I'm going to delete it first. Let's copy the existing chart. For this one, I'm going to copy the existing chart. It's already highlighted by Control C, copying it by Control C. And I'm going to paste it here by Control V. You will see a duplication of same information. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the formula. Instead of B, which is duplicated over there, B column, I'm going to change it to C for another bar, another data set. So C2 is the series name, and I'm going to change here C as well. And you will see this information is the sales value. Again, this color is same, which we can change it. Let's look at how we can change the color of the newly added chart. What you can do, you can go to the chart and click it twice, and you will see a box appear on the right hand side of the screen. So now what we can do, we can go and click on the newly added chart which is there. You will see all the four newly the bar column is highlighted now. And you can go to the first option, that is the fill and line option, and you will see there is an option called solid line which is highlighted, checked over here. And in the color option, you can go and change the whatever color you wish, and you can see here it is changed to our desired color. With this, we have came to an end of today's discussion. Thank you so much for your time. Please do like, share, and most importantly comment, which will help me to listen you as well. If you are interested in similar videos, please do subscribe the channel. And with this, I will say goodbye with a hope to see you soon.